Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Canva Magic Design for automated social posts, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Canva Magic Design for automated social posts, start by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or social media login. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of Canva. In the search bar at the top, type Magic Design and press Enter. Select the Magic Design option from the search results. You will be taken to the Magic Design interface. Click on the Create New Design button to begin. Choose the social media format you want to create automated posts for. After selecting the format, you'll see a prompt to enter your text or theme. Input a topic or keyword that represents your brand or message. Once you've entered the text, click on the Generate button. Canva will analyze your input and generate design options using Magic Design. Browse through the suggested designs to find one that suits your needs. Click on a design to preview it in the editor. If you like the design, make customizations as needed. You can change colors, fonts, and images using the toolbar. Once you're satisfied, click on the Download button located at the top right. Choose your preferred file format from the drop-down menu. Finally, save the file to your device for future use. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Canva Magic Design for automated social posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.